Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to turn off the camera sound on Snapchat. So let's start. First, open the Snapchat app. On the home screen, your camera will automatically open. Now I'll just click a picture and it makes sound. Now let's discard this. Close the app and turn off the volume of your phone by tapping on the volume down button. Now open the app again. And now if you click a picture, there will be no sound. And that's how you turn off the camera sound on Snapchat. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to leave a like. And see you in the next tutorial.